I am sugar. Eat me too much and I break your teeth. Look, I stick and make cavities.
I am broccoli. I make your body strong. Look, I am cleaning the bad stuff. I give you power from the inside so you stay healthy.
I am fried fast food. I taste good, but I am dangerous. Look, I am clogging your veins.
I am garlic. I clean your blood vessels. Look, I am removing the sticky bad stuff. I protect you from the inside.
I am tomato. I keep your heart strong. Look, I am pushing the bad stuff away. I protect you from the inside.
I am a soft drink. I taste sweet, but I burn you inside. Look.
I am onion. I protect your body from inside. Look, I am removing germs and bad stuff.
I am packaged chips. I am crunchy but full of harm. Look! I spread salt and oil inside you.
I am bell pepper. I make your body fresh and strong. Look, I am powering your immunity. I give you...
I am processed meat. I taste good, but I cause heavy harm. Look, I am spreading dirt inside you.
I am cucumber. I keep your body cool and hydrated. Look, I am giving water to your cells.
I am white bread. I feel soft, but I cause problems inside. Look! I am filling. I am beetroot. I make your blood strong and fast. Look! I am pushing energy inside you. I give you power from...
I am instant noodles. I cook fast, but I slow your body. Look! I spread salt and oil inside.
I am cauliflower. I clean your body from inside. Look! I am absorbing toxins. I make your system light.
I am an energy drink. I give instant boost, but no control. Look! I push your heart into overdrive.
I am alcohol. I feel fun, but I am fire inside. Look! I am burning your liver. I am artificial sweetener. I am sweet, but not real. Look! Look! I confuse your body. I